So what is that called?
Kraklingen.
Kraklingen?
Yep, that is a 3-day cookie. We make it scratch every day. And so there's lighter ones, and so this would be more of a darker one. So the Dutch people here in town would really like the darker ones.
They want the dark ones.
They want the dark.
'Cause they're
melt in your
more?
mouth, crispy.
Oh, okay.
Yep. It takes 3 days to make this cookie. First, we make the dough.
Okay.
We book fold the dough. It's a big process of mixing the dough in the mixer, and then we book fold it.
Book fold it.
Book fold it.
Okay.
I don't know if we have any doughs that are now that are getting book folded, but we do a tri-fold and we do a book fold. Our puff dough is all made from scratch, and we book fold it with the rolling pins. We let it sit, and then we come back to it, we roll it, book fold it again. The next day, we then cut the dough into little pieces, and we hand shape it. Let it sit again, and then we roll it out in sugar, and we bake it off.
Would you grab one of those?
Yes.
Just for fun?
Yeah.
And how does it get that looks braided as well.
So I don't know how that would be done, but it does get to be this way before we bake it, and then it shrinks down.
Why is there space in there? So that's not hand formed like that?
It's made to, we hand shape it to be look like a pretzel,
Okay.
and then we roll it out again. So we sell tons and tons and tons of them.
And say the name again, I'm sorry.
Kraklingen.
Kraklingen.